Jasmine Scoop here, and there's a tornado warning for Ottawa and Sandusky, Ohio. So, wait for it to go over. Turn it up.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Western Erie County, Eastern Ottawa County, Northeastern Sandusky County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located north of Port Clinton and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour.